Welcome back everyone to Tabletop Hobbies. This is our unboxing miniature review video for A Song of Ice and Fire tabletop miniature game. We've got the Baratheon Heroes 2 on the table today. We're going to take a look at these minis. Back of the box says 7 miniatures, 34 cards, 6 attachment cards. We've got Sir Penrose, Renly Baratheon as a Stag Knight, Olenna Tyrell, Brienne of Tarth, the Rainbow Guard, Marjorie Tyrell, Sir Loras, and Sir Eldon. It says, while King Renly's claim to the throne may not be the strongest by birth, it certainly is strongest in allies. House Tyrell lends its vast support and ever vaster armies to King Renly's cause, with both Lady Marjorie Tyrell and her brother Sir Loras, Lady Olenna, while manipulations aid Renly's cause from behind the scenes. King Renly and Brienne of Tarth serves on his Rainbow Guard. So this is our miniatures. Let's get into the box set. We'll do a quick message from our sponsor and then we'll jump into the unboxing. Thank you guys for watching. We'll be right back. Pontos Fathom Hobbies is brought to you by the books that we produce. We've got a bookstore link down in the description where you can check out the 6 volumes of August Moldenhauer and Giuseppe Balsamo's tattoo journals out of Lovecraft's Providence. You can get them as individual issues or in the omnibus edition. We've also got the Pontos Fathom podcast lecture series where we have books like the Esoteric Dragon Mysteries and the Esoteric Saturn Mysteries, decoding Saturn in astrological, mythic, and occult traditions. Also, Alchemy and Anthroposophy in the Dune Saga, looking at those alchemical and anthroposophical themes that make Frank Herbert's saga so classic and why it resonates with us. You can visit the Pontos Fathom Press channel where you can get reviews of all these books, or check out our Patreon. We've got August Moldenhauer's Artificial Psychoanalysis of Desiring Machine Saga, and we've got our Las Carcosa, Dead Sons 11, Quantum Locksman Saga, and the Killing with Bogman Saga as well. And finally, our newest saga, The Alchemical Courtship in the Dreamlands, taking place in H.P. Lovecraft's Dreamlands. Each book takes place in a different Dreamland city. Aimless takes place in Cellophase, Hope's Home, and Daleth Lane. And the rest of the books, first couple books are out this year. Other books will be coming out later this year, beginning of next year. Thank you guys for watching. Check out the bookstore link. And now back to our show. Okay, let's take a look at this. We'll pop it open and we've got our cards here. We've got Renly, Brienne, Eldon, Marjorie, Olenna, Penrose, Loras. And then we've got our tactics cards for each of them. So we've got all those. Let's take a look at these minis. I'm going to just quickly get a tool here to slice this tape. Let's take a look at these up close. So first up, it looks like we've got Loras. Got Loras Tyrell here. So Loras, let's kind of zoom in on him. Maybe we can bring this ground art here. Okay, so Loras. He's looking very much like a tourney knight in this one, right? He's got his cape. We can see him here on the cover. It's sort of hidden in the dirt. Nice lines, nice shield. I'm really thinking of, I was just at the Hammer House in Singapore and I put together sort of my wish list of what I wanted to buy for miniatures. You know, I still have to paint the House Targaryen, House Lannister heroes that I've got. And I said, who do I move on to from here? Here we go. Here's Sir Penrose. Nice cloak. Again, nice lines on these miniatures, right? I think the fan favorite, one of the fan favorites here is Marjorie Tyrell. This one here is Marjorie. Game of Thrones, we really like her from the TV show, but from the books also she's quite cool. Have that whole Hightower Tyrell legacy. We've also got Olenna. She's quite of a character. I think my House Lannister heroes, we've got we've got Tyrion. I think we've also got Tyrell as well. And this is Olenna. And we've got Tywin as well. Next up, we've got Brienne of Tarth here, looking formidable. This is Brienne of Tarth, sort of when she was in that phase of protecting Renly. It's kind of a great period, but if you check in the details of this, it's really fantastic. Look at this mail here. There's some belt work. The capes look great. Some armor below. Some straps above. Just the flow of the cape. This will be a fun miniature to paint. I think I'm going to do some extra work on this one. I've got another Brienne of Tarth in the neutral heroes set that's got Brienne, and it's got Jaqen H'ghar. We've done a paint through video of that too. You can go check that one out. But she's like kind of like a paladin in that one. This is Eldon Estermont. Eldon Estermont. Again, pretty good mini. Got the sword below, has the full plate. Chest. There has some mail. Short sleeves of mail. Those will all be nice details to paint. Lastly, we've got Renly Baratheon. It says here of Renly as the commander. It says Renly Baratheon, Lord Paramount of the Stormlands. So the Stormlands are what they call generally is where Hightower is and where where the citadel of the Maesters is, as well as seat of House Tyrell. So this looks great. This is like right in with the Stag Knights. We'll have to put him in with some kind of green dressing as well. So I guess the way that they've been doing these, I don't know if it's gimmicky or not. Maybe you guys can leave me a comment down below for the people who know, but I feel like they've really gone extra with the Renly side of Baratheon as well as with the Tully side of Stark. So you've got the Riverlands with the Tullys, and you've got the Stormlands with Renly, and Old Town and all of that. So I think we've got sort of factions within factions here. So I've sort of been working on both of those armies. Maybe we'll do a Tyrell versus Tully. I think that would be an interesting one. But this is a great mini. Let's zoom in even more on this one. Maybe we use this as the thumbnail here of this. I think that's a great thumbnail, right? Thumbnail accomplished. But if we look into this, we've got those stag horns. We've got the effects here on the hilt of the sword. Maybe some of that needs to be cleaned up. I can't really tell. We've got the scabbard here. Loose hang. Again, the back of this great helm. Got some kind of quilting. We've got the shoulder armor as well. The boots are quite standard, but we do have armor on the knees and the shins here. So this is it's an amazing mini. It's going to be a great paint through. Really looking forward to these guys. I will just take a quick look at some of these cards here. Wealth and Cunning, Hidden Affairs, Loved by the Small Folk, Growing Stronger, Hefty Ransom, Martial Superiority, Surprise Strategy, Wealth and Cunning. And do we have Brienne in here as well? No, Brienne's not a commander. She's just attachment. But yeah, these are great. Looking forward to getting these painted. If you guys like and subscribe, we will keep you notified when we have a paint through for these minis. But thanks for watching, and we will see you guys out on the tabletop. We've got about, I don't know, 15, 16 seasons of Song of Ice and Fire out on the channel, and dozens of paint through videos. We've got our tabletop miniature makeovers. We just repainted our House Martell miniatures to kind of improve on that. So go check those out. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Check out this video here. It's for you especially.